Guys, so welcome back to my channel. I am Snigdha here and you're watching Quincy Style. In this video I am going to talk about how to do a oiling process so that you will have a drastically change in your hair texture. That oiling is not a process that it only rejuvenates your scalp. It also makes a blood flow in your scalp as well, and it is not only repair your damaged hair, but also it promotes the hair growth. So guys, here I'm going to tell you that how to apply a oil so that you will get a healthy and beautiful hair. Guys, so one should be most aware of it, the fact of applying oiling in the scalp, so effectively it will work. So without doing any further discussion, so let's get started this video. The rule number one, I'm going to tell you that know your hair type, because we have several hair type, various kind of hair type. That is one can have oily hair, dry hair, frizzy hair, dandruff issues, and hair fall issues. So we need to treat our hair in different way and in different oil also. We need to switch it in different weather also. So I always apply a coconut oil, and the coconut oil is my base oil, and I always mix it with another oil. It can be mustard oil, it can be castor oil, it can be tea tree oil. So whether my hair issues and my hair problem, so I'll make a video for it, for which hair type and which oil will suit for it. So rule number two is that when you are going to apply a hair oil, make sure that your entire hair is tangle free, and if it is not a tangle free, then make it tangle free by combing a brush, so that your hair oil is going to be soak very well. For using oil, that you need to heat the oil, and heating of the oil, when you're going to massage your head, massage your scalp with a hot oil, then it is going to rejuvenate your scalp, and it promotes your hair growth. If you have any dandruff issues, if you have any issues, that it is going to be changed, it is going to be protect drastically so hair related any issues, guys. Hot oil is deeply penetrating into your scalp, so that it is going to under the scalp and makes hair growth. If you have any problem, that it is going to be promote it, and it is going to be prevent it if you have any problem related to your hair. So hot oil is a very good, guys, when you are applying on your scalp. So many expertises, hair expertises, they are going to suggest you that, guys, use a hot oil so that it is easily penetrating into your scalp. So guys, take more oil for your scalp and take less amount for your rest of your hairs, so that you will not feel any greasy. And the most important step that we are always forget to doing, that is we commonly do not wash our face after using a oil. This is the very basic steps that we always skip it. Guys, make a section of your hair and take a little bit of oil on your fingertips, then apply on your hair, all over your hair and scalp as well, and let it soak for an hour, and 2 to 4 hours also, and you can leave it overnight also. But more than 1 day can brings down all the dirt and impurities to your scalp, which can cause dandruff and hair loss issues for you, guys. Guys, the next important step is going to be massage your scalp. Gently massage your scalp. Do not disturb your scalp. So do not gently. You need to massage your scalp overall at least 10 to 15 minutes. Massage your scalp so that it improves your blood circulation. Any damage of your hair and scalp, it going to be prevent, guys. So massaging is the very important step that we should not skip ever. Guys, damp a hot towel and wrap a hot towel into your scalp after massaging your hair, and so that it will open up your pores, and whatever the oil you have used is going to be deeply penetrating. It's going to be work magically. Whatever you have oil, whatever you have treated for your hair, is going to be prevent all the hair related issues, guys. So trust me, guys, it is like a spa you can do at your home. So guys, oiling is a process that you should follow it twice in a week and or else once in a week, not more than that, because it brings down all your dust and impurities to the scalp, and it can make all damage of your hair related issues, guys. So always remember that once in a week or else twice in a week you should apply a oil onto your scalp. It can prevent all hair related issues, guys. Right now I'm going to talk about how I have prevented my hair loss after delivery, because after delivery many women are just facing the hair loss problems, and the same thing happens with me, guys. It's a natural, because there is a huge hormonal changes. For that we are getting a lot of hair loss. So the same thing has happened with me. So I have treated my hair by the oiling process, and it has happened miracle way, guys. All that ingredients which is available in your kitchen, like fenugreek, onion, they are going to give you a immense great difference if you are following these remedies which I have made. Also a hair oil at home. This is amazing, guys. You have tried. This is amazing, guys. I have tried, and also I am suggesting you to use this oil and to make at home. Market also there is a lot of product. There is a pure oil is available that you can also bring it so and add into your hair care routine. So I do prefer a coconut oil, and in weather change I'm just switching my oil as per my hair issues and my hair condition. After delivery I got a lot of hair issues, and like hair fall is like a bunch of hair fall. So I have literally worried about it, but believe me, guys, oiling is a process that it is going to be miracle if you are following these tips. These tips are going to be help prevent your hair loss. If you have any issues, then it is going to bring your drastically change on your hair, guys. If you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, then you can ask me in comment section below. Till then, bye bye, and I'm coming with another video, guys.